Sir?
Yes, Mr. Fleck, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, I saw you on the video just a second ago, but now I just hear you.
Okay.
But in any event, there you are. Okay.
Okay, there it is.
Right, we've got State versus Edward Fleck. Yes, sir, Mr. Simpson.
Judge, originally we were on this morning for a Beretta hearing, which obviously is up to Mr. Fleck if he still wants to go forward with that. The Public Defender's Office filed a motion of withdrawal based on a conflict. We're not really allowed to get into the grounds for that, but we did. Obviously, it went through the proper channels with our administrative staff through all.
Okay, Mr. Fleck, I understand last time that you were before me, there were some misgivings you were having with your lawyer. It appears that Mr. Simpson won't be your lawyer any longer, that there's some conflict going on, and I'm prepared to discharge him from the case. If your issue in this case was just personality or personal with Mr. Simpson, I'm prepared to appoint another lawyer to represent you, and we can go forward on that basis if you like.
No, sir. I would like to, at this point in time, bring it on the record that I would like to get your opinion in seeking ineffectiveness found for Mr. Simpson, please. I can bring my facts forward in order to determine that, and the reason why this is necessary, Judge, is because he failed to timely move according to the rules upon my demand. He refused to even say anything about it, Judge. This presents a major issue in my defense and prejudices me greatly. And without this being found, you might refuse to hear my further proceedings and statements because you might be able to say that the time is going to bar them, and that presents a major issue for me, Judge. A major issue because I have a lot of problems with this case.
All right, Mr. Fleck, if you have an ineffective assistance of counsel case, that kind of issue doesn't become ripe until you get an adverse judgment against you. Well,
wouldn't an adverse judgment, Judge, be you saying that he's not ineffective? Isn't that an adverse judgment?
That issue may be preserved for a later date, but it wouldn't be right to be heard now.
Yes, Your Honor. Well, I would like to just put it on the record then that Mr. Simpson lied on the record at our last court hearing. He agreed with the state's testimony that they provided discovery, and he refused to contradict it, even though it was false testimony by the state. Okay, they never provided any discovery, and this was stated on the record on March 18th.
Hold on, Mr. Fleck. I got it. Only one of us can talk at a time. So
yes, sir.
Let me
I'm sorry.
ask you to just hold your fire till I recognize you. All right.